All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick review on my new sunshade. I did get it in the size small. They do come in different sizes just depending on the vehicle. One thing that I wanted to point out is it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Like, it literally comes in this cool bag. I am going to show you how it looks in the car. I just kind of want to show you out here before I go show you in the vehicle. Check this out. Very, very cool. You could already tell it's like gonna be thick enough to where it's gonna reflect a lot of the sun, keep a lot of that heat out. So now that you have an idea of what it looks like, I'm gonna go ahead and install it in the truck so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, the install is fairly easy. Just go ahead and open it inside of your vehicle. Then you want to lower the sunshades there just to keep everything nice and clean. And then at the end, as you can see, it literally keeps all of the light outside of the vehicle. So if you're looking for a great sunshade, I highly recommend this one. Like I said, they do make them in different sizes. So like I said, highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.